Expedia, how to change flight. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn how we can change flight in Expedia, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to actually change your flight, maybe because you booked a wrong date or a wrong flight, how do you do that? So in order to do this, first of all, go ahead and make sure to launch the Expedia application over here. Once you launch Expedia app, what you actually want to do is from the bottom, you want to simply go to this option over here known as trips. Once you go to trips over here, you should be able to see the trips that you have made. So select the flight that you want to change if it is still eligible for changing. However, if you don't find it, you can also simply find your booking using your itinerary number. So you can select find your booking option, make sure to enter your itinerary number, and after that you should be able to find and change that flight. Now, in case none of this solution is working for you, the only thing you have to do is just simply contact the customer care. For this, make sure to tap the profile icon or the account icon from the bottom right of the screen here. Then after you've done that, simply go to the option called help and feedback. Then once you go to help and feedback, connect with the customer service and let them know about your issue, and they should be able to help you with it. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.